Haven't uploaded in a long time. Just I guess you'd call it an update video. Once again, have to pull apart the Mazda, but this time I have confirmed that I do need to replace the piston rings and rod bearings. But not only is it going to be just fixing it up so I could drive it, but it's going to be a learning experience. So, yeah, I guess two birds, one stone. So far, got just basic stuff pulled off. Waiting to pull off the harmonic balancer. I need to use an impact to get it off, because I've tried a couple things not coming off. Other than that, after that, I'll pull off the side cover, and then pull off the tensioner pieces for the timing chain, and then pull off the timing chain, pull off the cams, and then pull off the heads, and then that's probably all I'll do for today. And then next time I'm up here, I'll pull the oil pan, pull the reflector plate, and then pull off the rod caps. And then when I get the parts in, I'll replace the piston rings and rod bearings. So that's what I need to do now. I also need to release a video on the Escape, because you guys on my channel haven't seen the new car we have. So we don't have the, well, we do have the van, but it's not our daily, so yeah. And I may be getting a second car, going to the auction, getting something cheap, you know, a Civic or something else. I don't really mind. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. This car is such a mess, so gross and dirty. Yep, well, that's the update video. I'll have to release a video on the Escape. So, yeah.